This $139 is one of the smallest wireless audio systems for filmmakers, content creators, and musicians. And this is how it looks like compared to an SD card. It's very small. I love small and lightweight gear, and who doesn't? Now we'll switch to this microphone because the audio you're hearing now is from the boom mic. We'll get back in a second. So before getting more into the review, let me share with you my audio settings. The U6 receiver is on -20 dB, and my Sony 6600 camera is on audio level 7. Indeed, it will differ from a person's voice to another, depending on your audio level. And by the way, I do prefer to lower my camera audio level and make it from the wireless audio system. I get better audio this way, in my opinion. Let me try this button. Now, guess how much is the U6 transmitter weight? It's just 19 grams, 0.7 ounces, and the receiver is 29 grams, 1 ounce. And the system isn't complicated at all, and is straight away. On the U6 receiver, we get a power button, / channel switch button, and DB button to control the audio levels. At the top, we have an LED display that shows the audio channel and DB level settings. The same indicators we see as well on the transmitter. Bear in mind, the U6 wireless audio system has no audio input, it just has a built-in microphone in the transmitter. It's made this way to be more compact and simple. The cool part though is the transmitter that has the built-in microphone can be clipped on your shirt like a normal lavalier microphone, like this. Or you can use one of the 15 hooks and loops fastener to stick it on your clothes. I will show you in a moment. Let's say I want to stick it here. Okay. You have to get the clipper, and here we go. It's there. See? And extra loops are available for sale if you need more in the future. However, the same loop can be used on the back of your smartphone cover to hold the receiver when using the microphone with your smartphone. An interesting solution for mobile users. Xvive provides also 2-in-1 dual USB charger that can charge both the transmitter and the receiver at the same time. And regarding the battery life, the U6 can stay up to 4 hours and work within a range of 27 meters, 90 feet. Don't go so far, better to stay close to the camera. Xvive U6 provides a TRRS adapter to use the wireless audio system with your smartphone. However, make sure to get your smartphone 3.5mm audio adapter. Now, this is how Xvive U6 wireless audio transmitter sounds like on my iPhone 13 Pro at -20 dB. I found that 0 dB is very high and the sound is clipping. -20 dB is the best. And just for your reference, this is how the iPhone 13 Pro sounds like without a wireless audio system. And the other test I'm gonna do for you guys is noise cancellation. Now, I have a fan running in the background. It's about 2 meters away, and it's running at the moment. Now we'll keep silent for a moment and we'll turn it off later. Let me know if you see any difference in the comment section down below. Although the U6 is missing an audio input feature, I mean you can't plug your own mic, the system is made for a different purpose, made to be compact, small, and lightweight. It's obvious the size is pretty small compared to other systems. The audio quality is decent and comes with different mounting options, which make it possible to be fixed on music instruments, smartphones, and cameras. I hope you found this very helpful, guys. Show me a thumbs up and bump that subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma, and see you in another one.